Pickups. Today I'm going to show you my new alarm clock slash radio slash night light. So right now at the top it has changing color lights. And this is the time. I'm about to turn this song down so I don't get copyrighted or whatever. Okay, so now it's radio actually, so I don't think it works copyright. But I'll turn this down so I can talk and it won't interrupt me. So yeah, this is my alarm clock. So this would be the snooze button, and these are the, when you're playing the radio, these are the volume buttons, but it also says AL1 and AL2, that means alarm 1 and alarm 2. This is the lights control thing. It's a lot of things I don't really know about here. So I just got it last night, and it's pretty cool. So it's like, it's called Memorex. Hold on, let me get my the box. It only works when it's plugged up. I have the box up here and the instructions in it. Right here, it's called a clock radio. Let's just drop my glasses, guys. And it comes with one other cord. I think it's supposed to plug up my I don't know what it's supposed to plug up, but I'm gonna hold on to this just in case because I don't know what it's supposed to do yet. And my favorite part, the other favorite part that came in other than the actual clock, is the bubble wrap. It's like tons of bubble wrap in here, and I just want to pop it. I just want to stick it because see it pops. Okay guys, so just in case you didn't know, I love bubble wrap, and it's just so fun to pop. But yeah, this video is not about bubble wrap. This video is about my new radio slash clock thing. So I have the instructions right here, guys. Hold on. Here are the instructions. It's a lot of instructions. So it's a lot of instructions. Lux, bring Daddy's iPad to Mommy. So yeah, that's a lot of instructions. Right now it's 8:19.
Yes! I told her!
Hold on, guys. So yeah, I still don't know what this would go to. This cord, it has two of the same ends, so I guess one is to plug up into the thing. I just don't know, because there's three things that you should plug up back here. One is to actually make it work. The other one, I guess, is to charge it. Another one right here, I don't know what it's for. But yeah, guys, if you have this clock, let me know, because I don't.
Stop, love.